Thank you, Ranking Member McCollum. Mr. Speaker, I hail from Rhode Island, the ocean state. We know a thing or two about the sea and protecting our national security. Unmanned undersea vehicles, or underwater drones, have become an increasingly important tool in our national security arsenal. This technology plays a critical role in Ukraine's counterattacks against Russia's naval aggression and helps allies monitor activity throughout the Indo-Pacific. Underwater drones allow our Navy to conduct dangerous and covert missions without putting American lives directly at risk. As we look at our naval inventory, it is clear the United States needs more underwater drones. We need them quickly, and we need them affordably. My amendment in this en blanc encourages the development of additive manufacturing of underwater drones. And my other amendment that will be considered later encourages the development and enhancement of the payload capabilities of underwater drones. Our ocean state is doing an excellent job to train workers, develop technology, and produce many of our underwater drones. I am proud to lead these amendments that will support good-paying jobs in Rhode Island and advance our national security. I urge my colleagues to support this amendment. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back.